Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD and touchscreen assembly on the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap along the edge of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover. Carefully insert a plastic cartwright tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the back cover. Next, verify if the SIM tray is out. Next, disconnect the fingerprint power button connector plug. Next, undo the 15 screws in the mid frame. Next, use a plastic cartwright tool to create an opening to separate the mid frame. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, remove the faulty LCD screen with the frame. First, remove the parts from the broken screen frame. Next, pull the main flex by disconnecting from both ends. Next, remove the battery from the body. Next, remove the logic board from the frame. First, unplug the antenna head and then undo the screw to free the logic board from the frame. Next, remove the earpiece speaker. Next, remove the power and volume button flex. Next, undo the screw holding the charging port board and then free the board with the antenna. Next, remove the speaker and the Taptic engine from the frame. Now all components are removed from the frame. When selecting a replacement screen, you'll find several types on the market. The most common and reliable option is the original service pack screen, which includes the frame and all components. Another option is the original screen without the frame, but installation is more complex and time consuming. And also, durability may be a question. You will also find refurbished, used, and aftermarket screens available both with and without the frame. For a durable repair process, I recommend choosing a screen that comes with the frame and components. Whether it's original, refurbished, used, or aftermarket, this option is widely available and greatly simplifies the installation. Next, on the new screen frame, begin reinstalling the removed components. First, secure the speaker. Next, secure the power volume flex. Next, place the logic board on the frame and secure it by adding the screw. Next, place the Taptic engine and the speaker. Next, place the charging port board with the antenna and secure it by adding the screw. Next, connect the antenna head to the logic board. Next, place and secure the battery. Next, secure the main flex. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, place the mid frame and secure the fingerprint button connector and the SIM tray. Next, secure the frame by adding 15 screws. Verify all the mid-frame clips are properly fastened before inserting the screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, secure the rear cover to the body using bonding clips. If bonding clips are not available, you can use rubber bands to apply even pressure. Leave them for some time to ensure proper bonding. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.